Viewers, tensions flared in Vadakara on Tuesday afternoon. This is after DYFI workers waylaid the car of Vadakara MP and KPCC working president Shafi Parambil, sparking a heated roadside exchange. Now, viewers, Shafi was returning from a couple of programs in his constituency when his car was stopped near Vadakara town hall by DYFI workers. You can see how this situation escalated on the streets, in fact. Now, they accused him of shielding Palakkad MLA Rahul here, facing multiple allegations of sexual harassment from women and trans women, and also trying to steal credit for National Highway 66 work, which is nearing completion. So, these were the allegations by the people who essentially stopped the car. And this is how this situation escalated on the streets. Visuals on your screen right now. This comes after tensions flared in Vadakara afternoon after DYFI workers. They stopped the car of Vadakara MP and KPCC working president Shafi Parambil. Now remember, Shafi here was returning from a couple of programs in his constituency, and this is essentially where his car was stopped by DYFI workers. They accuse him of shielding Palakkad MLA Rahul Mamkutathil. Remember, Rahul here is facing multiple allegations of sexual harassment from women, several women in fact. And they also allege that Shafi was trying to steal the credit for National Highway 66 work, which is nearing completion. So these were the complaints, their concerns, you can call. And soon the situation escalated on the streets. It sort of turned violent. You can see the police trying to intervene, trying to calm down these workers and restore peace. But clearly a very dramatic situation unfolding on the streets. This is after Shafi's car was stopped by these workers. Remember, this incident took place in Vadakara in Kerala. This is where Shafi was returning from a couple of programs in his constituency when his car was suddenly stopped by the DYFI workers. And then they started, it seems like they started to take him out, try to beat him in fact. But the police soon intervened.